Hi everyone. In this video, I will tell you that many people and students solve this question incorrectly. They do it like this. First, they do 4 minus 4 and their answer is 0. Here they put multiplication. This is absolutely correct. And here too, after doing 4 minus 4, their answer comes out to be 0. So when they multiply 0 by 0, their answer comes out to be 0. Many students might be thinking that their solution is absolutely correct and the answer is indeed 0. But remember, 0 is the wrong answer. There is a hidden mistake we made here. So let's find out what that mistake is. First of all, let me tell you how we correct this mistake. There is a rule called the PEMDAS rule, which is actually an order of operations. In this, we first solve the parentheses, meaning the bracket. So look here. There is a parenthesis with 4 minus 4, and if we solve this, our answer will be 0. Or there is a hidden multiplication here. Put this in and wrote 4 minus 4 just like that. Kids, don't make this mistake again, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Why? Because if we look at this order, then there should be exponent first, then multiplication. Here is subtraction. Here is multiplication. Therefore, what will we do first? Now we will do multiplication. So we will write this 4 as it is. And if we solve this, it will become 4 multiplied by 0, which is 0. And in this way, 4 minus 0 will be our final step. How much will our answer become? Our answer will be 4. In the first case, our answer was 0, which was incorrect. Now the answer is 4, which is correct. Thank you very much.